Hey everybody, today I'll show you how to make your Marshall Major 2 headphones look like new again. I also have videos for the Major 3 and 4, which work for the Major 5 too. Links to those videos and anything you might need are in the description. These headphones are pretty old, and as you can see they've seen better days. Normally, all you need to do is replace the Earpads and the headband, but in my case, the cable insulation is peeling and the audio cable is damaged too. A new cable will cost you about $5 delivered, but if you're handy with soldering, you can fix it yourself. Let's start with the easiest part, replacing the Earpads. Grab the bottom of the Earpad near the headphone cup and twist it counterclockwise to pop it off. Before tossing out the old ones, make sure remove the plastic mounting frames, since new Earpads never come with them. Then simply install these frames into the new Earpads, like so. Once that's done, just put them into place and twist clockwise. Super easy. If you also need to replace the headband or the cable connecting the two ear cups, you'll have to completely disassemble the headphones, which also involves soldering. If it's too difficult or you don't need to replace the cable, you can always use a universal headband like this. It might not look as cool or premium as the original, but it's still nice and soft and definitely better than the old peeling headband. Now let's remove all the screws and open up the ear cups. Make sure to take a picture of the wiring so you can solder them back in the same pattern. Next we'll desolder the speaker. And the wire coming from the cable to the audio jack. If you have the wireless version of these headphones, the process will be pretty much the same. Plus, you can replace the old battery with a new one. Just make sure the new battery has 3 wires, like this one, the link in the description. Next we'll need to get rid of this cable. Once done, we can detach the ear cups from the headband assembly. Carefully pull one side of the hinge mechanism and detach it, like this. Next, use a screwdriver to gently pry and unbend the brass piece on both sides. Then pull away the headband and remove the cable. Now let's clean all the parts with rubbing alcohol. Next I'm gonna attach the new cable. Make sure you have enough spare cable on both sides. After that we can attach the new headband. Carefully insert the metal frame between the transparent plastic panels. Before touching the brass brackets, clean them with vinegar or baking soda to make them look like new. Then put them into place and firmly bend them back to their original shape. Now let's attach the ear cups. Once done, we can run the cable into the ear cups. Next I'm going to attach the stopper to the cable, like this, and secure it with glue. Now let's strip the insulation and solder the wires. Finally, we'll replace the screws and attach the ear pads. And here's the final result. As you can see, they look brand new, despite their age.